The next attribute I want to include in the HTML side for validation is to make sure that users don't enter in a name that's like 10,000 characters or something like that. So if I put in this keyword here, max length, I pull that number 4 out of somewhere. So I'm going to just take a guess here and say that the maximum length that somebody can enter for a name is 20 characters. But to demonstrate it, just leave it at 4 for the moment. Let's just demonstrate it here. This working, so I'll refresh my page here. And I have it set for the max length being 4. And you see there, I'm trying to type. It won't let me put in any more than 4 characters. So if I go back here and I change that maybe to 20 might be too many. Let's try 15. Although you could have somebody in the world that could have a really, really long name. So let's see again, 1, 2, and sorry, that didn't pick up there. So let's refresh that again. And let's try again here now. So now we're up to 15. Yeah, so look, I think I'm going to give a user at least the opportunity to give a max length first name of roughly 20 characters. Hopefully that should be sufficient. Again, mention that in your reports and that. But I'll also do the same for last name. And that just means that the user can only enter in maximum length of 20. You can use the min length attribute also, which makes sure that a user can't put in a name. But look, there's people in the world who have a name like T or something as their first name, and that's just it. So I'm not going to put a requirement on having any less than, a minimum kind of length, because if there's nothing in the box, it picks it up that you must enter something. And if somebody enters a letter for the name, like someone might have the name J, which just might be the letter J, not J-A-Y, and therefore they're correct. So I'm not going to penalize them for that. So that's the max length attribute.